The Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has explained why he didn't call up Orlando Pirates striker Tsegofatso Mabasa to his latest squad. Mabasa won the Golden Boot in the then DStv Premiership last season and has impressed since returning to the Buccaneers in January. However, he remained overlooked by Broos in his latest Bafana Bafana squad for the upcoming African Cup of Nations qualifiers against Uganda and South Sudan on 10 September. Broos has a good variety in his strikers and he feels Mabasa's strengths are covered by Ikram Reyners and Lil Foster. Hugo Broos said, when you want someone else in the team, you have to put out someone else. And I ask you, okay, I take Mabasa, tell me who I have to leave at home. Ikram did it very well in the Algeria and against Algeria and Zimbabwe. Lil is playing very good in the Premier. So I can't take someone because yes, and to put someone out, I have to see that there is a balance in my team and that if something happening during a game, that I can change something, not by putting the same type of player. No, sometimes to put another player. So, and Mabaso is not a different type of player than Lil and then Ikram. Ikram scores a lot also, and Lil is scoring in the Premier League. So, for the moment, it may be difficult to accept for you or else for the player or maybe for the club, but for the moment, I don't change. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.